Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome back to Maintenance Mondays. So today my project is the skylight up here over the bathroom. I put one coat of roofing sealer on it already. Shauna doesn't like the light over the shower because we don't shower in the daytime anyway. We shower at night, so it doesn't matter. So today I'm going to paint black over it, let it dry, and then come back and do another roof coating of white over the top of that to block the light. And then inside the shower I'll put a light maybe. So stay tuned for that and we'll get rolling. All right, guys, got my ladder set up, got my paint. We'll go up there and check it out. All right, up we go. Oh, I don't like this. Okay, so there's my skylight. I've already got it all sealed and everything, so we're just gonna paint over the top of it and call it good. Let's see what we got going on here. I don't know if you guys can see very well, but and then when I'm done with this black paint and it dries, I'm going to do another coat of white roof sealer that I did. Once this is done, I'll take you inside and you'll be able to see the difference inside the shower. And I think we'll be much better off doing it this way, because then there won't be any light showing through. We'll let that coat dry up. So that's what I did right there. We'll let that dry up, and then we'll go ahead and put another coat of that roof stuff on it. So yeah, you guys stick around and I'll walk in the house right now and show you the inside of the shower. So be right back. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you the shower skylight. You know, so Shauna hates skylights. Scotty takes them out. Look at that, no light coming through whatsoever. And it'll be even better when I put another roof coat. So here's the new light that I put on. And then we have this original light there. So, but we shower in the daytime, so this is enough light for us. So I'll bring you guys back when we throw the white roof coating on. I'll show you what I'm doing, what I'm using, and we will get that sealed up and then call it good. Okay, guys, I'm using the APOC 243 Advanced Elastomeric White Roof Coating. This stuff works great. I've already done the whole roof. I've done the top of the slides. It works really well. I got my little pan here I dump it into, and then I got my roller. I put it in the plastic baggie to keep it fresh. And this has been in there a couple of weeks. So, and it's all nice and squishy still. So that's good. So, let me get my ladder set up again, and then we'll climb up there and we'll throw this stuff on. All right. Up we go. Peek over the top. Oh, there's that black skylight. Beautiful black, isn't it? All right. So what I'm gonna do first, I got my pan here. And what I do is I just run this stuff just like that. Just let it all out. Because really, I'm gonna use it all anyway. Okay? Just like that. Let me put this tripod up a little bit here. Let's see what I got going on here. Get my little roller and we'll roll it around. I did it nice and thick, I know, but I promise you this skylight will never leak, and it'll serve the purpose that I want, which is making it really dark in there in the bathroom, right? Because get this over here, push up that way. How beautiful is that? Now, I think we're looking pretty good. And this wind, this stuff is drying pretty good. Yep, okay, well, I guess that concludes our, see how nice that looks? All the way up in there. That'll dry real nice. So, put those things down. Whoop, whoop. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this down because I'm pretty much done with it. And then I'm gonna get myself down. That's a long fall. Don't you think? All right. Get my spray can, because it's garbage, and a piece of wood. Get my roller over here, because it's garbage. We'll put some dirt around it there, so it's not so bad when I take it off the roller. We'll throw that away. I keep my little pan here. We'll let it dry up, and then we'll keep it. But yeah, so anyways, guys, that's what we did. The Epoch 234. So we got that skylight done, and I'm gonna rest for the rest of the day. My wife, she's doing her maintenance over here, and she's buffing out the window frame or something. Oh yeah, look, she's making them look better, huh?
Just clean the windows, guys.
Yeah, she cleaned all the windows today. Look at that, looks good. Oh wow, look at that. I gotta clean all this. I gotta come up here and get all this crap off with the razor blade that I did, but that'll all be cleaned up looking good. We'll get it all done. All right, guys, thanks for joining me on Maintenance Mondays. Don't forget about Throw Up Thursdays now. I got another one coming out. Oh, look at that whack-a-doodle. Whack-a-doodle. So yeah, you guys come back and join me on those 2 days. Well, all 3 days, because we'll have 3 videos, but our normal video that we do with, you know, whatever we do during the day and around town and things like that. But so come back for Maintenance Monday every Monday and Throw Up Thursdays every Thursday. There'll be something new. All right, guys, we'll see you on the flip side.